Creating the perfect Fiverr gig is complicated. But do you know that creating the perfect description for your Fiverr gig is even more complicated? That is why in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can create the perfect Fiverr gig using artificial intelligence to generate your Fiverr gig descriptions and make your gigs convert. And without further ado, let's jump into it. Before we go to Fiverr.com and start the process of creating a gig, I would like to show you this amazing artificial intelligence website. I know some of us are not content writers and writing content might be difficult for us. But with this software, forget the fact that probably you write a content that has a grammatical error or that will not convert your sales. This software right here, this web-based platform right here will write your content you need. Either you're a translator, you're a voiceover artist, or even writing English is not your strength and you're looking for a way to put your gig out there and sell them, then this platform is just the right choice for you. I'm going to show you how you can create a profile bio on this platform. At the same time, how you can create your gig descriptions on this platform as well. Then after this, then we'll move straight into creating a gig, a perfect gig on Fiverr platform. So let's start that process. Now, this is where you select your language. There are many languages there, and I'm just going to stick with English. Now, I don't know if you've heard of tone of conversation. Then this platform also has that. How do you want your content to sound when your buyers are reading them? Do you want it to sound convincing or appreciative, assertive, candid, casual, cautionary, compassionate? I don't know. But for me, I want to convince my buyer, so I'll put it there. I want to convince them to buy their product from me, so I'll leave it as convincing for me in my own case. Now, this is the use case of everything. As you can see, this platform has many functionalities in terms of blog ideas and outline, blog session writing, brand name, business pitch idea, and many more. But for Fiverr, these are the things you are going to be needing. If you're just creating your own Fiverr profile, then you should definitely consider this profile bio. All right, this is where you put your profile bio. This is how you can get that content for that part. Now, let's say for example, now you are a voiceover artist, and I'll just put it there for you. I am a voiceover artist. Now we'll wait for this platform to generate a content that we are going to use as a profile bio on Fiverr platform. So I leave it as one variant so that I can get one because they gave me a free access, a limited free access to the platform. So let's start with this and see what this artificial intelligence brings out for us as a result. And it's just writing it right now. Please subscribe now if you have not. Very important. I have a voiceover that gets your message across in a clear, concise manner. Now, this is perfect, but it is little. We need something more explanatory, and so I'm going to just highlight all this one and turn it into a paragraph. If I click on paragraph there, then it should give me a more robust content. Yes, my name is Jessica, and I am a voice that gets your message across in a clear, concise manner. With over 8 years experience and an advanced degree in English, my expertise is helping you articulate your thoughts in a way that it will engage your audience. This is perfect. So you can use this and put it in your profile bio. With this, that is sorted. Now, when you're now creating a gig with this artificial intelligence content, you need to write a content that will sell. Right? When your buyers are reading them, they will be like, okay, I would like to buy content from this person. And that is a concept that I'm going to show you right now. Now, come straight to the use case again and click on product description. All right. So let's say what you are doing is translation services. You are doing translation services. Okay. So I will translate your content from Spanish to English language. Now I'm going to choose one variant for this one as well, and I want it to give me a description of these services. So let's wait and see what this platform is going to write for us in this contest. For all your content translation needs, we offer a quick turnaround time and affordable rate. Whether you need one-time or regular translation, we have got you covered. Look at this. Then you can now say, okay, this content is not enough and you want to paragraph it. And this will give you a more robust one that you can actually use and, get things sorted. And if this platform is not giving you exactly what you want, you can definitely just go for another one and rewrite again until you get exactly what you're looking for. And that is it, basically. You're good to go. So we are going to just move straight into Fiverr platform now to show you how you can create your Fiverr gig the right way. And guys, this is Fiverr platform right here, the place where we'll be creating the Fiverr gig as we said earlier. So one thing I want you to note, guys, is if you want to create a gig on a particular niche or a particular services you want to render, make sure you check out people who have already done that kind of things and see the way they wrote their own description and kind of develop your own in that perspective as well. I'm not saying you should go and copy their own descriptions and all that into your own. What I'm saying is try to go through their own description, those perfect descriptions they have there that are actually converted and they've had a lot of buyers buying their own gigs from them. Check it out, use it. I'm not saying use it, copy and paste in your own. What I'm saying is try to develop your own around their own content so that make sure it is better than their own and then we're good to go. So to creating a Fiverr gig, I'm going to show you that right now. So you can either come here and go to your profile or you switch to selling, then you see everything from it. But here I'm going to just show you going to profile. So that is loading. And please, if you are yet to subscribe, do so right now. It's very important. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. That is very important. I'm not going to show you the process of creating a new gig entirely, but I'm going to just show you so that I won't waste much of our time. I will show you the process of I created one of the perfect gig I have on my Fiverr right now. I will be your most reliable technical content writer. So I'm going to show you exactly just that. I will edit it. Then we can go there. So guys, I want to just show you the process. So I put here, you have to put a gig title. I will be your most reliable technical content writer. Okay. After that, Fiverr will tell you exactly, you put the category here. Okay. So they will even suggest a category for you where you put all those things and you choose the technical writing and you're good to go. So this is the document type, or you say the type of document you are writing. That is user and training manual report. That's what I chose. Then industry, I'm writing about software, right? Then the language is going to be in English. So that one is a normal thing. Then you put, this is very important, guys. This is a keyword, a tag, what you expect people to put in and find your gig with. Technical writing, technical report, technical calls, how to IT report. You understand? You have maximum of 5 alone. So make sure that whenever you are putting your keywords there, they are connected to what the kind of gig you are offering. All right. So basically that is just the first part. Make sure another thing is, if you look at this side now, this gig title side, you have to be able to convince people to come and check out your gig. So basically that's what this is all about. Then we'll move straight to pricing. When you click on save and continue, it will bring you to pricing. Now, I basically don't like saying I have a standard or premium. What I know is I have a basic plan, what I offer. I'll create a content you need 600 word, including script and line of codes. Okay, that is 600 word, and I'm collecting $10. I put proofreading and editing, additional research, and style guide formatted, which is what I offer basically. If they need more package, I want them to send me a custom order, then we'll review it and we'll reach a conclusion on. So the descriptions and content and FAQ, frequently asked question. All this content will be in the Fiverr gig of someone doing the same thing you intend to be doing. All right. This is basically a description that describes the content you want to write. Okay. As you can see, you notice that I've explained things. I talk about myself. I talk about the content. I talk about what the buyers are going to get from the content that I do. Cybersecurity, networking, telecommunications, Windows, Linux distro, the file systems, and many more, which I've actually added to it. And I tell them that they should send me a message before placing an order and message me for more samples if need be as well. So guys, this is the description and you need to write them. You can use the software, the web-based application I show you now, the artificial intelligence web-based application I showed you. So you can use it to create your descriptions and put it here. Another thing is a frequently asked question. You can add FAQ if you want, but believe me, it's not always important, because if someone wants to buy a gig from you, they can actually ask a question in the message platform, then you answer them normal. This is the page where you get your requirement. Requirement is where you put all the questions that you want to ask the buyer, all the things that you want them to attach in order to start working on their project. So you see what I put there is just a free text. Okay, there's no complication at all here. Please attach all guidelines and instruction to complete your request. Okay, so with these now, if they have an attachment, they have a text, they have whatever, they can drop it here. I don't need to go forward and asking them questions on the one that will just complete the whole things. If they have someone that is coming to buy something from you, we definitely have a set up list of instruction you need to follow. So please attach all of them. Simple. So look at here again. This is the most important part. Description and FAQ is very important, but at the same time, you need to put big image that is going to convert a perfect one. And Fiverr has really done a very good job into telling you exactly what you need when you are putting an image in it, because image is everything and first impressions count a lot on Fiverr platform. So you consider this a very important aspect of it. So let me show you. I think they have some kind of recommendations here. Now look at this. Fiverr says when you are doing this, you should make sure that you do not put a lot of content in your images creation. Look at this. They prefer high quality, do follow backlinks, not something like high quality, do follow backlinks. That will be the share. Understand? So all this one, you remove it. They are giving you a perfect explanations of the kind of images you need. Look at this and look at this. So they prefer these. This one is not out of it. Look at it. The content is not very clear. It's not well arranged. It doesn't even look professional enough. So look at this as well. Social media, they put all these, and all this is just not what you're supposed to do. So having a gig image is very important, guys. You need to have a gig image like the one I put here in my own, but I will strongly suggest that you use, if you don't know how to create a picture, a gig image like this, that you can use canva.com. Canva.com is a free platform where you can create graphics for your needs. All right. So when creating needs, just make sure it looks professional. You can even use one of their templates, one of their perfect templates over there, and edit some of the content there, put your pictures and put it on Canva. Straightforward and easy. It's not that difficult. Then the service you render, it's very important you put a content about it onto it. If it's voice, you can add audio or video content. If it's content writing, you can add a sample here, a PDF sample here for a buyer to see. All right. So, but I will strongly suggest that you should create a video of yourself explaining your services to your buyer. That really convert a lot, and they will see some kind of your seriousness in them. So after this, just click down here and click on save. Then your Fiverr is live, your gig is live, and you're good to go. And guys, this is the way you can create the perfect Fiverr gig. All right. After this, you can now work on promoting your gigs on social media platforms, on whatever you think you can promote them from. Then you can now promote them on those platforms. But if you're not promoting as well, Fiverr also does a good job in promoting your gigs. Just make sure you put the proper tagline in them so that when people search for that tags, your Fiverr gigs comes up. So that's it, guys. If you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, this is the last chance. Click on the subscription button down below and click the bell button beside it so that you get notified when I drop another content like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you back. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. What do you think about it? Are you using Fiverr already? There's something I missed out in the content when I was explaining. Please let me know in the comment section below. And thank you, and cheers to the next one. Ibrahim is out.